First reading, Genesis chapter 6 verse 5 to 8, 7 verse 1 to 5, 10. Yahweh saw that human wickedness was great on earth and that human hearts contrived nothing but wicked schemes all day long. Yahweh regretted having made human beings on earth and was grieved at heart. And Yahweh said, I shall rid the surface of the earth of the human beings whom I created, human and animal, the creeping things and the birds of heaven, for I regret having made them. But Noah won Yahweh's favor. Yahweh said to Noah, Go aboard the ark, you and all your household, for you alone of your contemporaries do I see before me as an upright man. Of every clean animal you must take 7 pairs, a male and its female. Of the unclean animals you must take 1 pair, a male and its female. And of the birds of heaven, 7 pairs, a male and its female, to preserve their species throughout the earth. For in 7 days' time I shall make it rain on earth for 40 days and 40 nights. And I shall wipe every creature I have made off the face of the earth. Noah did exactly as Yahweh commanded him. 7 days later the waters of the flood appeared on earth. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 29 verse 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 8, 9 to 10. Psalm of David, give Yahweh his due, sons of God, give Yahweh his due of glory and strength, give Yahweh the glory due to his name, adore Yahweh in the splendor of holiness, Yahweh's voice over the waters, the God of glory thunders, Yahweh over countless waters, Yahweh's voice in power, Yahweh's voice in splendor. Yahweh's voice convulses the desert, Yahweh convulses the desert of Kadesh, Yahweh's voice convulses terebinths, strips forests bare. In his palace all cry, glory, Yahweh was enthroned for the flood, Yahweh is enthroned as king forever. Gospel, Mark chapter 8 verse 14 to 21. The disciples had forgotten to take any bread and they had only 1 loaf with them in the boat. Then he gave them this warning, keep your eyes open, look out for the yeast of the Pharisees and the yeast of Herod. And they said to one another, it is because we have no bread. And Jesus knew it, and he said to them, why are you talking about having no bread? Do you still not understand, still not realize? Are your minds closed? Have you eyes and do not see? Ears and do not hear? Or do you not remember, when I broke the 5 loaves for the 5,000, how many baskets full of scraps did you collect? They answered, 12. And when I broke the 7 loaves for the 4,000, how many baskets full of scraps did you collect? And they answered, 7. Then he said to them, do you still not realize?